Hey y'all, it's John Hodson and family. Don't mind my hair, I just got up from a nap. Working nights, I trimmed my beard. So, exciting news, I got my Airsoft, Fox Airsoft mystery box today. And, funny enough, I did another request in the little request box down below. And I asked for a Wesly Snipes, picture, and sure enough, I got Wesley Snipes. I got Blade on the back of my package. Freaking epic. So, I thought I'd switch it up from Arnold this time around. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this sucker up. I've been doing lovely on this 2nd of January. Hope you all are all as well. As always, like, put thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I upload. And without further ado, let's get this sucker open. I'm going to cut that picture off there and put it right next to Arnold so he's not jealous. Just kidding. Let's get that mouse out of the way. My trusty knife here. Kaboomy! Let's see what we get. Actually, I'm going to cut that picture off first. Of my knife that I got from Big Five. I did a video on it earlier. It says don't tread on me on the blade. I don't know if you all can see that. Yeah, pretty cool. Gotta go to work later tonight, so it's gonna be fun. It is what it is, I always say. It is what it be. Gotta make the money. Money's not everything, but it definitely does help pay the bills, so. And buy awesome stuff like this, right? You know? Couldn't buy this if I didn't work. Oh shit, I got all the way into it. All the way into the packaging. So I already know what I got. It's great. I didn't even have to open the slip. Or the slit. So let's see what they got me this time. Let's fold this sucker up and put it over here for now. Let's see what I got. Ooh, what is this? Ultra Player. Ultra Player. This looks like Ultra Air. Player's Choice Airsoft Cyclone Oil. So it's I'm guessing it's for cleaning your barrel out, oiling it up, making it nice and pretty. That'll be really good. I just got an M4 recently, a newer one, better one. Waiting on the battery for that. Should come Sunday. So that's a value of $6.99 for the oil. Pretty cool. And it seems like I always get a speed loader with these dang things, which is great, but I have like 4 of them already. 3 of them. 4 of them? 3 of them. I don't know. But that's $6.99. Looks like we got something else in here. I don't know if it's a... Oh, it looks like we got a patch. I already have this one. It's $7.99. It says my favorite time is quiet time. I already have this patch on my helmet, I think. No, I have it on my chest rig. So I might be doing that in a giveaway. That would be kind of cool for somebody. Get a new patch, right? Yeah, something. Once I hit 20 subs, like I said, and I got my shipping invoice here. Purchased on the 23rd. So what do we have? Shit. I didn't even look. I'm going to clean that up after this. badass. Cool, I was actually going to buy one of these. And I bought a mag from M4. I was hoping it was going to be a mag or something I could actually use. But it's a sling point mount for $14.99. So we got $14.99. We got $6.99 for the cleaning. We got a patch that I already have, but that's okay. It's okay. For $7.99. And we got another make it that away in a giveaway. I may not use that. I went ahead and opened the grip that I got earlier, but I may give that away as well once I hit like 20 subs or so. But yeah, off topic, yeah. Anyway, so we're at like $37 of value right here, just from this box. This is great, and I'm definitely going to use this sling mount. It's badass. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's not going to match my shit because it's tan. All my shit's black, but it will definitely work. It's a DEFCON Tactical Gear sling mount. And this one happens to be, I'm guessing, Coyote Brown. They also have a black one. That's pretty cool. Badass. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good value. So, yeah, I got a couple things that I didn't have, which is really cool. I got the oil, so I can clean my barrel and whatnot. And it comes with a little hose right here, so that's really cool. And a little clip, so you can put your nozzle back on there, so you don't lose it. I'm guessing that's clip, or it's you just peel this off and pop the top. But nevertheless, it does have tape, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I got that patch, of course, and then the speed loader. And I think I'm going to save this patch and the speed loader for a giveaway. Maybe that grip. I'm going to try to advise a fair way to do a giveaway. I don't know. I think I'm going to set it for 15 subs. When I hit 15 subs, I will do a giveaway, and it will consist of a few things and a gun. Not sure which gun I'm going to give away that I have, but I'm going to figure that out. Maybe a mini MP5 or MP5 that I have, or something gun related, or I'll buy one and then give it away that hasn't been unboxed, you know. So it'd be cool. Yeah. So I'll probably save this patch since I already have it for a later giveaway when I hit 15 subs. And as always, thank you for watching. Like if you like it. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. And comment. Comment. I haven't got very many comments on my videos. I need to know what you guys like, what you don't like. I do it just for fun. I don't get paid to do any of this. I don't know, do it to put myself out there, and I like making content like this. So if you guys know anybody that wants to follow my channel, send them my way. I'm actually looking on selling my other M4, so possibly. Anyhow, thank you again, John Hudson and family. Y'all have a great evening. Bye-bye.